Hello my friends, welcome back to Learn and Success. I'm Jahid. Imagine this. You work very hard every day, get a good salary, but still struggle with money. You have debts, little savings, and fear for your future. At the same time, some people seem to make money work for them. They become richer while working less. What is the difference? Is it luck? Is it education? Or is it something they know that most people never learn? Today we are going to talk about one of the most famous and important personal finance books in the world. The title of the book is Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This book has sold over 40 million copies and changed how millions of people think about money. Robert Kiyosaki shares the lessons he learned from two fathers, his own poor dad, highly educated but always struggling, and his friend's rich dad, a successful businessman who became very wealthy. This book is not just about getting rich, it is about changing your mindset, learning how money really works, and building financial freedom so you don't have to work for money all your life. Kiyosaki writes in a simple, honest, and sometimes controversial way. Let's go through the main ideas step by step. I will explain everything in very easy English with real examples and practical tips you can start using today. Let's begin. The story of two dads. Robert Kiyosaki grew up with two fathers. His biological father, poor dad, was a highly educated government official with a PhD. He believed in studying hard, getting a good job, and working for money. Despite his education, he always struggled financially and died with debts. His best friend's father, Rich Dad, was a businessman who never finished school but became one of the richest men in Hawaii. He believed in financial education, making money work for you, and building assets. Rich Dad taught Robert from a young age how the rich think differently about money. The book is based on the lessons Robert learned from Rich Dad between the ages of 9 and 25. The biggest lesson is this: the poor and middle class work for money. The rich make money work for them. Lesson 1: the rich don't work for money. Most people trade their time for money. They work hard in jobs, get a paycheck, pay bills, and start over. This is the rat race. Rich Dad taught Robert that the rich focus on acquiring assets that put money in their pocket even while they sleep. Key difference: poor and middle class work for money, jobs. Rich, money works for them, assets. An asset puts money in your pocket. A liability takes money out of your pocket. Most people think their house is an asset, but if it costs you money every month, mortgage, taxes, maintenance, it is actually a liability. Practical tip: start asking yourself with every purchase, is this an asset or a liability? Focus on buying things that generate income. Lesson 2: why teach financial literacy? Schools teach you how to work for money, but not how to manage it. Financial literacy means understanding income, expenses, assets, liabilities. Kiyosaki shows a simple cash flow pattern. Poor people have income and many expenses. Middle class have income, more expenses, and liabilities. Big houses, cars. Rich people focus on building assets that create passive income. He encourages you to read books, attend seminars, and learn how money, taxes, accounting, and investing really work. Lesson 3: mind your own business. Most people work for someone else's business, their employer. Rich Dad said you should mind your own business, build your own assets and investments. Even while keeping your job, start building a side business or investments that will one day replace your salary. Your business is not your job. Your business is your assets, things that generate income without your daily work. Lesson 4: the history of taxes and the power of corporations. Kiyosaki explains that the rich use corporations and tax laws to their advantage. They earn money, spend it on assets, and pay taxes on what is left. Most people earn money, pay taxes first, and then try to live on what remains. Learning about corporations, LLCs, and legal tax strategies can help protect your wealth. Lesson 5: the rich invent money. The rich see opportunities where others see problems. They use their financial intelligence to create money through creativity and smart deals. Kiyosaki gives examples of buying properties at low prices, adding value, and selling or renting them for profit. You don't need a lot of money to start. You need knowledge, courage, and the ability to see opportunities. Lesson 6: work to learn, don't work for money. Choose jobs not for the salary but for what you can learn. Robert worked in different areas, sales, marketing, management, to gain experience. Rich Dad taught him that skills like communication, leadership, negotiation, and financial intelligence are more valuable than high pay in the short term. Lesson 7. Overcoming obstacles. Kiyosaki talks about the main reasons people fail financially: fear, cynicism, negative thinking, laziness, bad habits, arrogance, thinking you know everything. The rich overcome these by taking action, learning from mistakes, and keeping an open mind. Fear is the biggest obstacle. The rich use fear as motivation instead of letting it stop them. Lesson 8. Getting started. Kiyosaki gives practical advice to begin your journey to financial freedom. Take baby steps and keep learning. Find mentors. Teach others what you learn. This deepens your knowledge. Be generous. Give time, knowledge, and money. Start investing small and learn as you go. He emphasizes action over perfection. Start small today rather than waiting for the perfect time. The Cashflow Quadrant. One of the most important concepts in the book is the Cashflow Quadrant. E. Employee works for others. S. Self-employed/small business owner owns a job. B. Big business owner has systems and people working for them. I. Investor, money works for them. Most people stay in E and S quadrants. The rich focus on B and I quadrants where money and time freedom are possible. Final summary and practical tips you can start today. Rich Dad Poor Dad teaches that financial freedom is possible for anyone who is willing to change their thinking and take action. The main message is, don't work for money all your life. Learn to make money work for you. Action steps you can take right now. Track your cash flow. Write down every income and expense for 1 month. Start building assets, even small ones like stocks, rental property, or a side business. Read more books on investing, accounting, and taxes. Find a financial mentor or join a good investment community. Change your language. Stop saying I can't afford it and start asking how can I afford it? Pay yourself first. Save and invest a portion of every paycheck before paying bills. Take responsibility for your financial education. Never stop learning. Robert Kiyosaki reminds us that the rich are not greedy. They are financially intelligent. School may not teach you about money, but you can teach yourself. Start small, be consistent, learn from mistakes, and never give up. My friends, Rich Dad Poor Dad is a book that can completely change how you see money and life. It is not about becoming rich overnight. It is about building a strong financial foundation so you can live with freedom and security. Thank you so much for watching this detailed summary of Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki on Learn and Success. I'm Jahid. Start your financial education today. Take control of your money and build the future you deserve. Until next time, stay curious, stay strong, learn about money, and keep growing. Bye for now.